What is up, guys? It's your boy Sammy. We back. You already know. Friday. It's Friday. I haven't traded for the past 2 days, but actually, I tried trading yesterday, but that didn't go. We didn't really make anything, and then on Wednesday we didn't trade. We couldn't find the trade, but we're back. It's Friday. Hopefully, we can find the trade today. This would be. Damn, why is my chair moving so much? Like, it's making so much noise and shit. Like, chill out. But yeah, this will be day 17 of me trying to become profitable day trader. Hopefully, we can find the trade today, make some money. You know, I'm trying to pass the account, trying to make that bread. Okay, not like that. Chill out. I'm just trying to make some money. You know, I'm trying to pass the account already, but anyways, let's get straight to this though. So it's already 9:35. Market already open. Well, 8:35. My bad. Well, my time night. It's 8:35. My time. It's market already open. Already marked out everything. All the key levels. Asian session, London session. Okay, cool. We're on the 5 minute. I'm probably gonna stick to the 5 minute if I'm being honest. I don't really want to be trading off the 1 minute. It's too not. I was gonna say volatile. I don't know if that's the right word, but I just can't manage to find stop losses there, and I feel like, oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how that works, but I would like to stick here to the 5 minute. I mean, I've seen it work. This past month, it worked for me. Like this past month, it worked. Like 2 months when I first started, like the first month, it was working for me. So I don't see why it shouldn't be working right now either. But recently, like these past 2 weeks, price has been moving too crazy as soon as market opens. As in, like, I would just see like a movement straight down or a movement straight up. Like nothing. Like no no bullish or bearish candles out early on for me to be able to get highs and lows to go based off that information. But we'll just go. Hopefully, we can pick up something today early, and then hopefully we can find the trade early and make some money, you know. But yeah, like I said yesterday, we ended up trying to look for a trade. We ended up losing like $30 here, and then we ended up just making it back. So we basically didn't make anything, or we lost $3, but that's like nothing. And then Wednesday we didn't trade. We were honestly supposed to make money yesterday. I was reanalyzing I guess like the chart, and I had seen honestly like I had entered price, and then it ended up I don't know. I didn't really like my trade, so that's why I got out of it, and then yeah. But we moved though. Today's a new day. And yeah. So right now I was seeing that we did take out all these highs. We took out this high, and then we took out this high, which could be a bearish sign, but I don't really want to. I mean, yeah, it is kind of bearish, and plus all the key levels are down here, so we can probably come back down and touch all these key levels. That's my sort of analysis right now, but I don't really want to get ahead. I don't really want to get ahead of myself, because market can literally just switch and target all these highs from over here, you know, potentially hitting all this and this and this and this. So I mean, I've seen it also. Well, not all, but I've seen over the course or these past 2 months, I've seen a lot. I've learned a lot. So, but yeah, we're just gonna be patient as usual. You already know, patient. Oh, also, I forgot to tell y'all, I got this new setup. Y'all can see me clear now, right? Y'all can see me clear as ever now. Woo! Let's go, baby. Y'all can see my hickey. Hey, yo, chip. Nah, they're not hickeys. Like, they look like hickeys, but they're not. They're not hickeys though. They're I got hit. I got slapped. Not slapped, but like I got scratched, I guess, when I was playing soccer and shit. And yeah. But yeah, we're looking clear. Y'all can see my clear skin. Oh, it's kind of dim. I can brighten it up a little bit. Yeah, like y'all can see me clear now. I got my PC working now, so I shouldn't be having issues no more. It's already 10:05. So it looks like market is coming down. Like I had expected it to come down after bro, what the hell? Something just popped in my ear. But what we want to see right now is for this for this low to get broken. Like, we want to see a break of structure happen right now. Hopefully in these next 4 minutes we break structure here, which would be huge. This would be huge right now to see. We break structure here, and then we would need to see a fair value gap, order block, breaker block, or an equilibrium chart to get filled. Once we see that, we can scale down to 1 minute and hopefully breaking structure there, and then we can enter the trade, possibly targeting these lows over here, the London session low, Asian session low, and the 1 hour low over here, which would be huge. But we want to see these next 3 minutes finish like this, and then we will want to find one of those confirmation confluences, so then we can take that trade. But looks like it's coming down crazy. Or actually, oh, I had forgotten that first we have to come and touch a key level first before trying to. Yeah, that is true. That is true. That is so freaking true. Well, at least now we already touched the key level, so now we can potentially look for a trade. I had forgot that before you enter trades, a key level has to get touched. A key level. But we just happen to touch the London session high, which is huge. This is huge. These next 2 minutes are going to be huge for us. Once we see this get broken, now we just need this to get filled, this breaker block. We fill this, we break out of it, and then we target these lows. Obviously, we're going to see where we take profits based off how much we're willing to risk. So right now, the only thing I'm trying to, we'd probably get stopped out up here, but I'm trying to figure out, like, on the breaker blocks where you actually get stopped out fully. I don't know if you get stopped out fully, like, up here as soon as this breaker block gets disrespected. That's exactly where you get stopped out, as soon as it gets disrespected. I just don't want this to come all the way down here and for me not to take a trade, bro. Like, come on, don't leave without me, bro. I want to make some money too. So it looks like we are going to break structure here. Well, from what I'm seeing right now, for all I know, price can come back all the way into this breaker block, and then boom, we reverse all the way up. But I doubt it. Price is it's all the way down here. But I've seen where in the last 5 seconds, boom, market just, the candlestick just goes all the way up. Like, I've seen it, bro. That's why you always gotta wait till the last second, bro. Y'all always gotta wait till it fully closes. I've seen it, bro. I'm telling you, I've seen it all. But yeah, looks like we are gonna break structure here. So now what we want to see is a confirmation confluence get hit. We just want to fill this. We want to fill this breaker block, because that's all we see right now. Unless we get a new, unless we see a bullish candle out of this. We could find an equilibrium chart, which would be this most recent high with the most recent low, potentially being this. But it's gonna be the same thing as filling the breaker block. So we want to fill this breaker block unless we can make a fair value gap right here, which will be this with this. Right here, that would be our only hope right here for a fair value gap to get filled. But this candlestick can't come back up no more. But I do want to see it come back up so it can fill this breaker block. That's what I do want to see, actually. God damn, bro. Fuck. All right, so this breaker block doesn't matter no more. It doesn't mean nothing to us, because we were able to make this fair value gap right here. But damn, bro, like, I always called it, like, it's already been for the past 3 days. I was able to call, like, oh, I see this liquidity sweep, so I feel like we are gonna go down. And damn, like, it goes down, but I just don't manage to see how I can enter a trade here without, like, the confluences getting hit, you know. Like, unless, like, I trade on the 1 minute. But I told myself that I don't really want to be trading on the 1 minute, because I feel like that's kind of like gambling. Like, I don't know. I just feel like I'm gambling on the 1 minute chart, on the 1 minute time frames. Maybe I'm not that good yet. Maybe I could trade on the 1 minute, because this is kind of slow since it takes 5 minutes to fucking enter a trade, right? For a candle to close. But damn, like, hopefully we can just retrace here. If we retrace, fill this gap, break out of it. Or just fill it. This is dumb, bro. I just don't see how I was supposed to find the trade today. Literally, all the fucking key levels got hit right off the bat. By 10:15, all key level. I mean, by 10:20, all the key levels were hit already. So I don't even know what the fuck I'm supposed to be targeting no more. I just don't feel confident in taking a trade at this point. Obviously, I would like to take a short here since market is moving down like crazy, but for all I know, I could take a trade right now. I could take a trade right now, down a short trade, and then boom, we finally retrace all the way up, and I fucking get stopped out. Like, this is so stupid, man. Either I'm just, obviously I called it from the beginning that all these highs got swept out. So it was looking bearish from the beginning, but I just don't manage to see how I can enter a trade when all I see is bearish candle after bearish candle after bearish candle after bearish candle after, like, it just doesn't make sense to me if I'm being honest. Obviously, I know that you can also trade off the 1 minute chart. Off the 1 minute time frame, but I just don't know how. I don't know. I don't know how, bro. Like, I was trying to fucking figure it out right now. I was trying to see maybe, like, after we broke structure, to see how I could possibly find a trade here to the downside, but I do see this get filled. I do see this breaker block get filled, but on the 1 minute, I don't know if you're supposed to be doing the same thing on the 1 minute. That I just can't believe we just never retraced, bro. That's my thing. Like, there's no way that we never retraced into a fair value gap here. Like, we had this fair value gap. We had this fair value gap, this little one. We also had this fair value gap right here. Never retraced into it. Like, god damn, bro. Doesn't make sense, bro. Honestly. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. This was, I guess, day 17 of me trying to become a profitable day trader. No trade. Shit was ass. Obviously, I did see market was going down based off the liquidity sweep that I had seen when market opened up, but market just went down crazy like nothing, bro. No retracement happening for me to be able to take a trade, or at least see something get filled for me to take that short. But I guess, I'm learning. I don't know, bro. I'm so confused right now, but anyways, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, and peace.